How to transfer money from bank account to Bybit. First, launch the Bybit mobile application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the Deposit option. You will be given several options for depositing money into your Bybit account. But since you want to deposit via your bank account, select the first option, Buy with Indian Rupees. You can also choose the P2P trading option, which allows you to use a debit or credit card associated with your bank to make purchases. Once you select the Buy option, choose USDT at the top, then enter the amount you want to deposit. Afterward, tap the Next button at the bottom, and you will be redirected to the Payment Method page where you can select the Bank Card option. Tap Buy, and you will be redirected to a page asking for your card details. Enter your email address, full name, card number, expiration date, and CVV. After checking the box for the terms and conditions, press Continue. On the next page, complete your payment, and the money will be debited from your bank account and deposited into your Bybit account. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.